the airdrop bot, which is in Telegram, and the name UXUY bot, which is backed by, where we can see in cryptorank.com. UXUI is the cross-chain liquidity aggregate protocol. This is the cross-chain aggregate protocol where the Binance also investing is, and their total raise money is 10.2 million dollar. So this is the huge and huge airdrop for upcoming Telegram users. This is and this make it special because the top investor is investing like Binance. There is CMS holders, it's GBC capital. There is a 20 plus investor in this airdrop. So we can see this is the very biggest airdrop for Telegram users. So how I am telling how to you can join in this airdrop link in my Telegram channel. So you can simply my Telegram channel link in my description. Go and just click in this link, and you can just start the bot, and you can just click on create, and your wallet was successfully created. And here is the simple UI you can get here. So first you can click on this op token and continue. Those you can read, and you have, and there is the claiming water farming. Your next claim in 3 hours. You can claim only 100 in this in every 3 hours. Then you can simply, here is the two options. Here is on, and here is invite. First of all, I am telling about invite. You can just click in invite, and you can invite your friends and get and up to 100 points, or 10 is 10% of your friend income. And trading but if your friend is trade in this app, you can get 40% and participate in your token airdrop, get more. And you can simply give and tell your friends and get more points, and you can get bigger airdrop. Then here is the on section. You can simply download their app, and you can install their app and do trading there. And their app is usually for meme token, meme coin trading. You can get this app, and here is the claim, and you can get to 200 points, and simply on, and you can join their Telegram channel, and you can get updates and when the airdrop was live. So you can just check out this airdrop. This is the very big airdrop in Telegram. So yeah, and you can also trade in other coins, like you can hold other coins, BTC and Ethereum. There is many coins you can get here, and simply you can get you can simply, here is other things you can trade and get more points. There is swipes. You can just use this app and get more points. Simple. This is a simple logic. You can deposit your crypto, and here you can trade. This is the points you can get. So this is